Hello and welcome. Spring is starting to arrive here in Plum. The snowdrops are out. This lovely Umeboshi plum is blossoming. And the plants in the beds are starting to awaken from their winter slumber. February has been a wet month, making it difficult to get out into the garden. There have been some sunny days though, allowing me a chance to give my houseplants a spring clean. I started sowing my first seeds of the year. And my campaign to eradicate the wild strawberry continues. Join me for this garden diary entry for the month of February. Over winter, houseplants can start to get a bit dusty and start to look a little bit sad. So it's a good idea to give them a clean. One way to do this is to put them in the bath or the shower and give them a clean that way, being careful not to wash away the soil and block up your drains. Alternatively, if you do have an outside space, you can take them outside and give them a good hosing down. This helps to remove the buildup of dust and grime, and your plants will look happier and brighter as a result. The big thing that happened this month is that we took a trip to Portugal. And of course, we went to see the odd garden or two. There will be a whole series on the gardens of Lisbon and nearby Sintra. Here in the barn, I've been busy sowing seeds. So over in the propagator here, there are a few different things I've sown this month. Let's have a look. First up, Himalayan blue poppy, Mecanopsis grandis, and they are absolutely stunning blue flowers. They're a bit tricky to grow from seed, so I'll give them a few weeks, and if I don't see any signs of growth, I'll pop it in the fridge for a few weeks, bring it back out again, and hopefully that will encourage them to start to grow. Fingers crossed. Over here I've got a variety of different seeds that I've no idea what they are. I just collected them from plants I've liked as I've been out and about, so we'll see what comes of those. Next we have Colocasia fallax, and Colocasias are great. It's not going to be hardy, so I'll probably have to bring it in and overwinter it in the greenhouse here. Next we have a mixture of Aeonium, and Aeoniums are just brilliant. If you haven't seen them, check them out online. They're almost prehistoric in their shape and form. They're, great ones to grow. There's a different mixture here, so I've got no idea what varieties I'll get, but that's half the fun of it. You might have seen a recent video I posted about sowing seeds for tomatoes and chilies. Now, the tomatoes have all germinated and are looking good. With the chilies though, I've been less successful. Only the Buena Mulata ones have germinated, and those are ones that I've bought fresh from the shop this year. The rest are ones I've had in the seed drawer for quite a number of years, so to be honest, I'm not that surprised they haven't germinated. Chilies can take a little bit longer than tomatoes to germinate though, so I'm not going to completely give up hope. But to be on the safe side, I've gone and got some more. So here I'm growing a new chili Bishop's Crown. So yeah, hopefully that'll be a nice spicy one. I've also, I got as a gift it was my birthday this month, and I got a sweet pepper called Sweetonia. Now I wasn't planning to grow any sweet peppers this year, to be honest. I've never had much success with them, but they were given to me, so I'll give them a try. And these ones have quite small fruit on them, so hopefully I'll get a better success rate than I have in previous years. Here in the garden, I'm still fighting a battle against these wild strawberries. In a previous video, Milo helped me to remove them, and I thought I'd got them all, but they still keep popping back. I'm not going to let them win. Now, it's just a case of having a look around the garden to find out what I need to do next month. If we go over to the pond, there's a lot of algae that's built up over the winter, so I need to clear that all out. All of the dead leaves from last year's growth on the perennial plants needs to be cut back. Hopefully we'll make more progress with the building work around the stream. I've got plants over here that I need to dig up and divide. And I've got a whole new bed that I want to get planted up over here to create a screen between us and the neighbour. got seeds to sow, dahlias to plant, roses to prune, and I'm hoping to set up an area outside the front gate where I can sell plants to people who are coming past. It's going to be a busy month. Please click like if you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.